Kohlrabi is delicious, super easy to prepare and loaded with healthy nutrients. Notably, it's one of the top vitamin C foods, with more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs in just 1 cup of Kohlrabi. Today's video will discuss health benefits of Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi health benefits. 1. Helps fight cancer. 2. Supports heart health. 3. Helps decrease the risk of diabetes and obesity. 4. May help lower blood pressure. 5. Can reduce C-Reactive protein. Kohlrabi Recipes. Are you looking for tips on preparing Kohlrabi bulbs, stems and leaves after finding a fresh plant at the farmer's market? Substitute Kohlrabi leaves for kale in this recipe for Massaged Kale Salad, and in 10 minutes you will have a delicious side dish, or snack loaded with nutrients and flavor. You can use the bulb and make some Kohlrabi Homefries browned, in a small amount of oil, and seasoned with some tasty spices. Also, try a mouth-watering, vegetable-centric dish, healthy and super satisfying curried cauliflower soup that includes Kohlrabi. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in the comment section below.